Welcome to our video introduction. Today we will take you to learn about the brand new sock printer technology. This is the newly designed sock printer, which uses a 4-tube rotary printing method to make the printing process more efficient and faster. Through the 4-tube rotation method, our printer is able to process multiple socks at the same time, improving production efficiency. Moreover, this machine is equipped with an advanced visual positioning system to ensure that the printing position of each pair of socks is accurate. Compared with the previous version, the new generation of sock printer has increased the printing speed to 50-70 pairs per hour, greatly speeding up production. Simple operation and high efficiency make the production process smoother and meet market demand. Thank you for watching our video introduction. The new sock printer makes your production more efficient and convenient. Please look forward to more exciting content